The single stroke 4 is one of the many variations of the single stroke roll. As the name implies, it is a single stroke rudiment, meaning alternated sticking, but in groups of 4. So I like to think of this as a single stroke roll, but with little tiny breaths in between each little group of 4. And it sounds something like this. So notice how I kind of play into the drum and really lift out on those last beats. Make sure you're doing that. Don't be going into the drum like. Also try and make each one really even. I know that's hard sometimes. So next we want to put this in time, right? So what I was just playing were little groups of sextuplets that look something like this. So a triplet followed by another note. And we can apply that by playing this exercise here. So as you may notice, it is beat 1 should always be with the right hand. And it is with the second line here, so it's just 2 measures. So just make sure you follow this sticking, and I would recommend playing this pretty slow. So I'm going to set my metronome to about maybe 70 beats per minute. It should be pretty slow, and just make sure those notes are even. When you feel comfortable, you can raise it up, but we're going to start at 70. And this pulse is the 8th note, so don't be caught off guard when I'm not doing it. Right, 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 left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, right, 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 left, right, right. Good. So once you've played that at a variety of tempos, don't play it too fast. 70 is a really good spot. Play what you're comfortable with, and make sure you're rhythmically consistent and that those breaths appear very naturally. The other way we can practice this is without a metronome, going from slow to fast to slow, much like we did with the single stroke roll. And this one you can do in a variety of ways. You can do with a consistent right hand lead like this. And then back down to slow. Or you can do a left hand lead, just what I just did starting with left hand. Or you can do an alternating pattern, which is a lot more tricky. And I'll say it as I do it, but it should be right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Faster and faster until you get to a comfortable, quick tempo and then back down to really slow. So those are just a few ways that you can practice the single stroke 4. Have a good time practicing.